Right, so guys, today I'm going to be fitting the new steering wheel on my car. As you can see, I have my old steering wheel here, which is just so disgusting. It's so oily. It's meant to be a matte like color, but right now it's a very glossy black and it's just disgusting. So yeah, it's going to be Alcantara, fully Alcantara. It's going to look absolutely amazing. He's been doing it for like, I think a week now. So it's ready to go in the car. So yeah, I can't wait. I'm very excited. But yeah, he's literally just there. That's his car. He's just getting everything ready. And then he's gonna put the wheel on the car. There he is. Oh, where's the wheel? Is he gonna? Oh, there's the wheels. Right, I'm gonna go check the wheels out and then. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Oh, I'm gonna go look at the wheels, bro. 1 second. Literally, I've just looked at the steering wheel. Yeah, just I haven't even touched it. Bro. Because I haven't touched it. I've just literally seen it and oh my god, it looked so freaking sick. I don't know if you guys saw when I showed you, but it looked so freaking good, man. So good. I'm gonna show you guys like properly. You just got in to get some tools. It's gonna be sick, bro. I'm gonna get some B-roll shots for it, man. Of you, man. For it. I can't even talk because I'm so excited, man. Alright, guys, the steering wheel is literally right there. Just put it in a nice polystyrene box kind of thing. It looks absolutely awesome, yeah. Right, let's go check it out, man. It's like he's presented it to me, which is sick. Look at that. Sheesh. Right, oh man, in the way. Look at that. That looks so mad. I like the green stitching. It looks amazing. Yeah.
I want that. I park. Let me see if I move the angle because what I want you is to have a good light.
Yeah.
So 1 second.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, so basically he's trying to move the car to the best lighting, the best place we can get some nice footage and all that. Normally I wouldn't let anyone drive the car, but I don't know why he's driving the car. He literally just jumped in and started driving, so I was like, no what? Doesn't matter anyways, but yeah, it's gonna be sick. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, man. So excited. All right. And that everything basically.
Yeah, even the badge.
Yeah. Oh, the badge. This one as well.
Yeah.
Is it not the same?
I mean, I use my one for the as a template.
Oh, is it?
So
is
instead,
it?
you know, yours
Yeah.
might be better. It might have a.
No, yours is better. This is more shiny. Man.
Okay, that's fine. I don't mind to give you this one.
Just leave that one.
Cool.
All right, he's gonna go sort that out, and then I'm gonna wait for him to come. But yeah, that is on point. I can't wait. That is sick. But yeah, guys, yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys the process of obviously swapping it out and all that. I really wish I got my other lens now. Literally, I wish I got the other, because my idea was I needed like a wide angle lens so I can sit inside of the car, yeah, and then film it from inside of the car from the back of the seat. so I can get like a nice wide focal length. There's 20mm on the lens right now. I should have put the 24 to 70mm on the lens, not on the camera. Would have made a better shot, so I can zoom in, all of that stuff, and take pictures as well. I don't really like taking pictures with the 20mm because it's just wide and it's just I don't know, it's a bit, I don't like how it looks, to be honest. But yeah, but you know what, it is what it is, man. But yeah, I'm so excited, man, honestly. Look at the state of my car right now. Look at the state of my car. Like, what the hell is going on, man? I have no steering wheel. How am I gonna drive home? How am I gonna drive the car home, bro? I have no steering wheel, bro. That's nuts, man. That's nuts. Hey, man, that's the box it came in. That is sick, bro. That's awesome, man. That is so sick.
Ready for you?
Yeah.
Let's put it on. So that's the same charcoal Alcantara.
Yeah.
Same as on Audi RS3.
Yeah. That is so cool.
And we kept the same thickness as well as you requested.
Yeah.
You only need to remember to wipe it from time to time, just to remove the top, you know, that bit of dirt, oils which comes from our hands.
Yeah.
And give it beauty.
Am I gonna get the green rag as well for free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I leave it to you. So you can look after it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's on. You got the nice green 12 o'clock, green stitching. That looks absolutely wild, man. That looks amazing. Look how mad that looks, bro. Holy smokes, got the badge in there. That looks so sick, bro. That looks so freaking good, man. Honestly, let me jump back, man. Look at that. That looks insane, bro. That's nuts. That is nuts. That is freaking nuts, mate. That's nuts. But yeah, guys, that's been the adventure with me and the beast coming to get itself a new steering wheel. I can't wait. I'm gonna go home, get some nice pictures. Oh my god, even just looking at it from here, like this angle right here, just like this angle there, I can just see the green just popping, bro. Literally from where I'm standing right here and just looking through, you can just see the green popping, bro. It's absolutely awesome, bro. Anyways, guys, if you want to see some pictures of that I'm gonna take with it, link in the description below. Click on my link tree and check out my car Instagram page because it's lit as hell down there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if this video is long or short. I haven't edited it yet, so I don't know how it's gonna be. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. But first of all, let me just show you guys my drip. One sec. Let me show you guys my drip real quick. I'm looking fly, bro. I'm looking fly. Yeah, babe. Hey, babe. Show them my drip. Film me. Show them my drip. This is my drip. This is my drip. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is my drip. Man's got the Adidas. Man's got the jeans. It's got the nice things, you know. There's the drip, bro. The drip, bro. What are you telling me? Where the girlies at? The girlies, come get me in it, bro. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.